Hello everybody out there, third graders. This is Mr. Marks here. We are getting ready to do lesson 4 of week 1 of unit 8, which is determining the important ideas in expository nonfiction, fiction, and drama. Today, we are going to be looking at revisiting 2 opinion articles. We'll be thinking about important ideas in those articles. We'll be distinguishing your own opinions from those of the authors of the articles. And we'll be comparing and contrasting the 2 articles on the same topic. So, one of the things we're going to be doing today is that we'll be thinking, pairing, and writing, and developing the skill of giving reasons for your thinking. And we'll also be practicing our IDR today as well. So, we'll be visiting the 2 opinion articles, we'll be thinking about them, what we've learned. We'll also be thinking about what's different from them, and also thinking about how we feel, whether we agree or disagree with them, and giving the reasons why. The reason I think this is, and we explain that reason. So, once again, instead of using reading partners today, I have my dynamic duo, Batman and Robin, are back again. So, whenever I say turn to your partner, that's a good time to maybe pause the video, turn to your partner, turn to your animal, turn to the wall, explain your thinking during that time. So, we had 2 articles. The first one is Smile, You've Got Homework. And in this article, the author talks about how practice makes perfect, memorizing facts, organization and planning, school and home. And if you remember reading the captions, that homework helps students practice what they are learning in school, and homework also provides an opportunity for parents and kids to work together. If you need some time to go ahead and reread this article, that will be a good time. And the second article we read was Homework, Who Needs It? In this article, the author is expressing that kids should be kids, that families be families, and who likes homework? Kids need time to be kids after school, and homework can cause stress for the whole family. So, now, what do you remember about opinion articles? And what does the author try to do in an opinion article? Batman? An opinion article gives the author's opinion about a topic. The author gives us reasons that support his or her opinion. Thank you, Batman. Robin?
In addition to what Batman said, the author tries to get the reader to agree with his or her opinion.
All right. Today, readers, your job is to revisit the opinion articles that we have read and think about whether or not you agree with each author's opinion. So today's learning topic is to give reasons for whether you agree or not. So remembering, Smile, You've Got Homework. What's the author's opinion in this article? What reasons does the author give to support that opinion? Batman?
The author's opinion is that homework is helpful. One reason the author thinks so is that it gives kids a chance to practice what they learn in class. Another reason the author gives is that homework teaches students to organize and plan their time. The author also says that homework gives parents a chance to get more involved in their children's school lives.
Now, interesting, readers. So, thinking about that, do you agree with this author's opinion of homework? Why or why not? Turn to your partner.
I agree. There isn't always time to memorize the stuff you need to know during school.
I disagree, because I'm too tired when I get home from school and crime fighting to do more work.
Right. Looking at the second article, Homework, Who Needs It? What is the author's opinion in this article, and what reasons does the author give to support that opinion? Robin?
The author's opinion is that homework isn't helpful. One reason the author gives is that when students get home from school, they should have time to unwind. The author says that homework can cause kids to not like school.
All right. Thank you, Robin. So, do you agree with this author's opinion of homework? Why or why not? Turn to your partner.
I agree with this author's opinion because after a long day at school, I'm tired and would like to spend time at home with Master Bruce and Alfred.
Well, I respectfully disagree with the author's opinion. I think it's important to keep your brain learning. How else can we stay one step ahead of evil villains like the Joker and the Penguin?
All right. So now, thinking about opinion writing, what do you remember about opinion articles? What does an author try to do in an opinion article? Yes, Batman?
An opinion article gives the author's opinion about a topic. The author gives reasons that support his or her opinion.
Robin, do you have anything else to add on to what Batman said?
In addition to what Batman said, the author tries to get the reader to agree with his or her opinion.
All right, readers. So, your job today is to revisit the opinion articles we have read earlier and think about whether or not you agree with each author's opinion. So, so you have two jobs today, readers. The first one is to do a little writing assignment. I want you to think about the two articles. Which author do you agree with? Now, explain using details from the text. So here's some writing stems that you can think about here as well, is that you can say, I agree with the author that wrote the article, either Smile, You've Got Homework, or Homework, Who Needs It? So say which one you agree with, and the reasons I agree with this is, and then tell why. So you can go on to Seesaw and write that to let your teacher know. Then you're going to do your IDR today. You're going to read for 25 minutes. And this week we've been thinking about our reading comprehension strategies chart. You'll be thinking about visualizing. You'll be making inferences. You'll be asking questions and wondering. And you'll be thinking about what you learned. Now, as you read on your own today, notice where you stop and make those connections. All right, so does everyone know what you're supposed to be doing today? Batman?
First, I'm going to go to Seesaw and tell my teacher which article I agree with and why.
Robin?
Then I'm going to read for 25 minutes and think about the comprehension strategies I'm using.
Okay, readers. Looks like we're all prepared, so it's time for those magic words. Off you go. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye. So next week we'll be reading an expository nonfiction text and thinking about what we learn from important ideas in the text.
Zoinks, Scoob! What do you think we'll learn about in this book?
Well, I don't know. Maybe we'll learn about the lifetimes of different plants and animals.
See you next time, everybody. Bye.